What has it got? A vacuum robot, adapter, 2 piece of clothes, and brush 2 piece, and 1 instruction manual in English. How to use it? Here it's like a sticky clothes. Simply put this on it. Simply put this on it. And then this one to install the brush, it has a little like magnet, so you just simply put it and then turn around. You are ready to go. Okay. Anti-fall function. See that? But you're stuck here. So it blinking when it's charging. Signal constantly red, meaning fully charged. So how to open and clean the dust? So you simply lift out like this, and then you can pick this up. So this is after 2 cycles. 2 cycles meaning fully charged, and then you run it until battery out and then charge again. 2 cycles. So this is the result of 2 cycles. After 2 cycles, you see this is the dust. Okay, so how to wash this? So when you remove the box from the machine, then you can simply open this. Of course, you throw away all the dust. Then simply rinse with water. And then the switch also can rinse with water because this is removable from the machine. And the cloth of course.